Hi students, as promised, I wanted to go over close to you with a little bit more attention to detail. Um, First off, uh, this is what's written as the intro. And I wanted to show what I think makes it sound a little better. So the C added ninth is C with the first finger on the second fret of the C string, hence the ninth. I think it sounds better because if you remember the Richard Carpenter piano part, I think this sounds better. So what I do, the first C added ninth, I play it. Then I add the G string, open G string, before I strum the C major. And then I play a G again. Then the chords of the song. Why do birds fall around? Now that's B minor 7th suspended. So the first finger is over the entire second fret. I use the ring finger on the 4th fret of the C string, 3rd string, and then I resolve the suspension with the second finger. So it sounds like this. Once again, if the first finger is too far over the frets, the A string sounds weaker. So it's. Then the next chord is just the first finger over all of the fret, 2nd fret, and nothing else. When I do that, sometimes I piggyback my 2nd finger for a little extra oomph. Let's look at the piece at this time at a very slow tempo, and I'm taking this at 54 beats per minute. 54 beats per minute. Let's try it. And I'm going to add the passing tone, the open G, starting with the 2nd measure. 1, 2, ready, play. Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall out from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Now this next part is the fun part. And let me turn this off for a second. And C, C6, and C major 7th. So this is on every beat. On the day that you were born, the angels got together. So you're on every single beat, you're changing from C. That next chord is just all the strings stopped. Oh, and the strum. I'm strumming this down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's take it from On the Day. A 1, 1, 2, ready, go. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they whispered that your head goes in your eyes of blue. That is why all the girls in town follow you all around, just like me. They want to be close to you. Then an instrumental. On the day that you were born, again, the bridge. A 1, 2, ready, play. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled moon dust in your hair, golden starlight in your eyes of blue. That is why all the girls in town follow you all around, just like me. They long to be close to you. If you remember, there was a trumpet a solo there. Hopefully that's at the end. Wah, 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 wah. So that is that's E minor. So it's E minor, played like this, 1, 2, 3. Then the E minor 7. Then the B minor across all of the frets. Let's look at that again. That's the closing. And it does that 4 times. A 1, 2, outro here. Wah, close to you. 1, 2, 3, again. Wah, close to you. Wah, close to you. 2 measures of this. Wah, close to you. All right. Have fun.